Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to see your previous option premiums on eTrade. So the first thing you do, okay, once you're logged in to your eTrade account, come here under accounts, you can click on orders, okay? And then here you'll see all your orders. You can go ahead and choose your account, right? Just come here, choose your account, and you'll be able to see the ones, right, where you had previously gotten. So you can filter it, right, to individual fields, right? You can choose the date and you can find your past option premiums. Okay, basically the price per contract, things like the total cost divided by credit in your trade history, or right here, your order details section. Okay, you'll see all the details here, but of course, this account does not have one yet, but this is where you'll see it. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.